Oh, nice Olympic there. That's a cool one. Nice Olympic. Right, welcome back to another Coins Collect video. Coins, sealed bags, album, missing, lots of Olympics. Let's just get on with the video. Right, yeah, welcome back to another Coins Collect video, and we have a 50p coin hunt, all in sealed bags, just the way I like it. And it looks like I finally just found my Tom Kitten for my book. How cool is that? Nice one. Well, we'll start with that bag then. Right, yay. Let's get on with this. So somewhere in here is a Tom Kitten. That first one's a shield. Shields. The years 2009, 10, 11, 16 and 18 are all NIFC years, not intended for circulation. In other words, very desirable. They should not be out there for me to find in a hunt. Should not be. 2017 is a low mintage year, so if we find that, that'd be fantastic. And any of these that are 2020 and later or earlier, even more recent, it'll be fun to find as well. And Britannia's 2008, it's a low mintage year, so yeah, cool to find, I guess, them as well. First commemorative find, Tom Kitten. 17, isn't he? Yes, of course he is. Right, so put the Victory Spotter finds over here. 17 in the middle, 16 above that, 18's below that. Be nice to find a 2018 Peter Rabbit, wouldn't it? Right, another bag, one from the back. And I haven't got my little pre-tears, but if you tear along the seam, they tear it easy enough. So never mind. Well, didn't get too far into that bag before we found another commemorative, and that's Roger Bannister doing his 4-minute mile, or a minute and a mile in a minute. A mile in 4 minutes. Ugh. It's late at night. I should go home. I'm at home. It is late at night and I should go to bed. Oh my god, like buses. Tommies. Why have I put Roger Bannister with the Potters? I don't know. Oh well, you're in for a thrill ride tonight, guys. Another commemorative, and that's the Victoria Cross. Oh, there you go, it's a bit of a weird one. Bit of a mucky 2017. Tales of Peter Rabbit. Ugh. Horrible. Oh dear. Oh, and there we go, another grubby Scouts. Doesn't actually look too bad there in the camera, but I guess if I show it, tilt it like that. Hopefully you can see that, yeah, pretty mucky. Okay, Mrs. Tiggy-Winkle, 2016. She's looking very faded, very worn. Feels alright, but can't really see a ton of detail there, can we? It's a bit weird, that one. Alright, two there. We got a Victoria Cross, that's the Heroic Act, and Public Libraries. Two very cool coins. There we go. Another bag. Oh, 2016 Peter Rabbit in there, my favourite. My favourite Peter Rabbit. Just got to get in there. There we go. Yeah, well, where are you? What's that, 19? There's Peter. Shield. Britannia, Britannia, Shield. He's looking very matte finished. Not very shiny whatsoever. She's looking a bit shinier on the other side, isn't she? On the obverse. And then the design of Peter Rabbit is the reverse. There we go. Well, I'll take him. I probably will chuck him back into the wild because he's a bit dull and lackluster. That's his only crime. But anyway. Oh, 2020. There we go. So that'd be nice. Oh, and a bunny. Let's get rid of the rest of these. So we got a. Let's put the 2020 down. Benjamin bunny, and if we flip over Benjamin, there you go. Looks like she's okay. She's the right way up. Put him down there next to the Tom Kitten and the grubby Peter. Grubby Peter. And we have a 2020 50p. Is this my first shield? No. It's a diversity. Come on, shield. I want a 2020 shield. People have seen them apparently, I think. People said they've seen other people get them. I've actually met anyone who's actually found one. But plenty of people saying, oh yeah, so-and-so found one. I found some. Second-hand information. Hey, a dictionary. Come on, camera. There we are. Dictionary. Most boring coin out there. I think the actual dictionary is a fascinating thing, and how it started, and you know, who had to go out there and start collecting the words, the first few words. Jesus, probably a very fascinating story. I just think the coin is a bit dull. Hey! Oh, nice Olympic there. I don't know if you saw that. Put that down for a second. Nice Olympic. That's a cool one. Great design. I like that one design. Reminds me of a Mondrian. No, not Mondrian. I don't know what I'm talking about. I'm going to get my art book to show you what I mean. No, I won't bother. 2011. 2011 there, and we flip it over, and it's weightlifting. How cool is that? We found hockey last week, weightlifting today. Yes, a very nice one. Again, it's one of those ones that's sort of middle-ish of difficulty to find. I think the hockey I found last week is more difficult, and the rowing I found, that is, well, last book I never found it. I never completed rowing, So I'm amazed to get that so early in this series of videos. Girl guides there. Let's get rid of the rest of these. So yeah, it's all random potluck, isn't it, really? Here we go, girl guides. Looking quite good, looking quite shiny. Nice. Benjamin Bunny, again, we'll check this, but as I was just sifting through these coins, I realised that I looked down and saw me Tom Kittens, and I don't think I put Tom Kitten in the album last week, so yeah, I might have to move one Tom Kitten there just to remind myself to put them in the album. Just, yeah, the strangest thought, I didn't do that. And a Christopher Ironside to finish that bag. Nice one. Yay. 5 bags left to go. Alright, last bag. Can we have some last bag and Olympic last bag luck? Yes, come on. Doesn't have to be too fancy an Olympic. Could be an aquatics or an archery. Just one more little Olympic. Just one more. Wethatine. Wethatine mint. That's from the Meaning of Life, Monty Python. The Wethatine mint. So we got bunnies to sign. All the potters are going back into the wild. There's nothing there I want to keep, is there? No. I have got an Ironside, haven't I? Is that another one where I've messed up and... Christopher, where are you? Oh yes, of course, there he is. Yeah, I've got a Christopher Ironside in the book. Yeah, Tom Kitten I didn't put in the book last week. What a... So missing some more of the Potter, 18 Potters. So Tom Kitten, let's put Tom in the book first. I'm so concentrated on finding the Olympics, and the Olympics are all anybody ever cares about, but I forgot to put old Spooky Eyes. Come on. Yeah, I forgot to put Spooky Eyes in the album. Oh, there you go. We've righted that wrong today. Right, where's weightlifting? Nice one. So it's another Olympic ticked off the list. So I've got 4 Olympics to find on that page. We got triathlon, volleyball, my favourite probably, wheelchair rugby and wrestling. And then on this page we've got a lot more Olympics. We've got handballs missing there, the handball inserts missing. Lots of Olympics on that page. and fencing missing there, but lots more Olympics missing there as well. But lots more Olympics missing there as well. There we go. And we'll sign the bunnies. Okay, subscribe, like, bell, fantastic. Until the next video, please keep looking out for those coins to collect. Bunnies, come here.